Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to get this pretty simple glamorous makeup look with easy steps. Why it's simple glam look? Because we are not going to use any crazy colors and still it looks really natural but glam. There are so many upcoming events and celebrations in this winter, so I'm pretty sure this makeup look can be used. So I will show you guys how to get this simple glam makeup look without spending hours. This look is so easy to get, so without spending time, let's get into it. So before starting makeup, you make sure your skin is super hydrated. In winter, skin gets dry quickly. If you have little more time, you can wear a sheet mask for 10-15 minutes to get more hydration, and then you can do your regular skincare routine with serum and moisturizer. So I'm going to start off by priming my face. So I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer because my skin gets very dry during winters. My face is moisturized already, but still I'm using dewy primer because dry skin e makeup korata hocche ekta dushopner moton. It hydrates my skin and it's very lightweight and it has creamy texture. So I will apply a little bit on my neck. My skin feels very smooth now. Our makeup karaটাও easy হবে. Next up, the color corrector. যত pigmentation আছে, I just need to hide. আমার সবথেকে বেশি pigmentation এখানে. And I'll just apply on my lower lid. So I'm using this Mars Seal the Deal color corrector and the color is 01 Orange. It's a perfect creamy concealer that blends seamlessly. As you can see, it's long wearing and very lightweight. It's not at all heavy on face. So I think সবারই এই মুখের পাশে একটু pigmentation থাকেই and we don't need to blend it too much. I think in affordable range, it's a nice color corrector, and for medium skin tone, this color is fine. So now for the foundation, I'm going to use this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. And before using it, I shake it very well. And I'm in the shade number 6 Sand Beige. This is not my real shade. This one is little lighter for my skin, but I can fix it up with other products. Blending it out very quickly because it's a high cover foundation. It's a matte finish foundation, so you need to blend it quickly. Otherwise, it will get dry on skin. And I love this foundation because it gives full coverage and really you don't need any concealer. So you can use it as a concealer too. And you need to apply very less quantity. If you really want to try this foundation, make sure your skin should be proper hydrated if you have dry skin. So I will suggest to moisturize your skin before using any kind of matte finish full cover foundation. And this has oil-free formula. So always select your primer proper. It's a water-based foundation, so primer should be water-based always. Just apply on my neck. It's a white foundation color na. And this foundation is oil free, so I think this will be best for oily skin people. Even though I am using this because I have combination skin, so I am comfortable with this foundation. So I wanted to get matte finish and full cover, so I choose this foundation. So now I will just brush my eyebrows to get rid of any foundation stuck to my brows. And this is really important step. So always take a clean spoolie to do this. So now I'm going to fill my brows with this Mars Multi-Pod in the shade black. So I'll be using this angular side of this brush, and this brush is by Cuffs and Lashes E002. In this there is two products. One is powder eyeshadow, this can be used for brows, and one gel eyeliner. Gel eyeliner can be used as kajal and eyeliner. So now I'll just fill my brows. It's too dark, so use very less. I love this because of the pigmentation and it stays for whole day long. Can you see the difference in these two brows? I already posted a full makeup video look with Mars products, link in my description box. So if you are interested, you can always go and take a look. So now my brows are done. So I'm taking a concealer now. Take a small flat brush. So now I'm cleaning my brows with cream concealer. If you do this, it gives perfect shape. And this is the concealer by Maybelline. See, it looks better than this. So if you want to get a defined brow look, so always try to do this, and it's very easy. Now just blend it. It looks much better. Doing this on this eye. Brows যদি perfect থাকে, face perfect লাগবে. Basic concept is that. And it doesn't take much time. So okay, now quickly I'll just prepare my eyelids. So I'm using the same concealer and the shade is 142. If you use concealer on eyelids, your eyeshadow's color will pop out perfect. So my eyelid is done. By the way, it's Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. It's very lightweight and gives very smooth finish, as you can see. It can be used under eyes and full face. And I'll give you one special tips for this concealer. In this you get 7 or 8 colors. So highlight with the lighter shade and contour with the darker shade. So today's eye look will be super duper easy. So I am taking a small fluffy brush and this lighter shade of brown. This eyeshadow palette is by Makeup Revolution, the Enchanted Icon. In this you get 2 cream eyeshadows and these are all powder shadows. And nowadays this is my favorite palette. So with this lighter brown shade, I'll just apply it on my crease line. It's very pigmented and easy to glide. I think you already can see the difference. So I'm not using too much of color now. If I need, I can always build it up. So just blend it. It's a super easy eye makeup. Anyone can do this. Same, I'm going to do it in other eye. Just press little bit color just on your crease and then just blend it out. And it blends well, so we don't need to use any transition color for this. Now I'm taking a small fluffy brush and this darker brown shade. I will just apply it on my crease. Just I will press and apply. Now just blend it very slowly. I'll just blend it on my outer corner. And do not bring it to inner corner. Just with a small circular motion, I'll blend it so that it blends very seamless. I just applied it on my crease because I don't want this color should come to my eyelid. And even I didn't apply this above my crease, so it's perfectly on my crease. So now I'll start diffusing it with small circular motion. Just blend it very softly. Do not give too much pressure on your eyelid. বেশি pressure দিয়ে দিলে কিরকম একটা ঝাপসা হয়ে যায়. So always be gentle. I love this eyeshadow palette nowadays because these are highly pigmented and very soft to glide. And in this you get many colors like pink, purple, golden, mix of pink and blue, copper. So you can do many looks. And I use this palette few times and I have been liking quite a lot. Now I am going to pick this golden brown color with finger because I always prefer glitter eyeshadows to apply with finger. It gives more pigmentation on lids. So I can get maximum color payoff. Wow! Just look at this. So I'll just diffuse it with a clean brush. So you can see this color is all over on my eyelid. So now I'll do the same on this eye. So now moving on to eyeliner. So I'm going to use Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Kajal in the shade black. So I'm going to draw a very thin eyeliner and I'll make a wing. And this one is smudge proof and waterproof. And it's jet black. So I'm going to make it very thin. And I always do this to make it perfect. And this one I love it because it's very soft and easy to glide. And the pigmentation is just wow. I just do my tight line. I'm just drawing a very thin line close to eyelash. So this is the liner look. So I'm doing this in this side, and this side is little more tough, but it's uh, okay, it's perfect. So drawing a very thin line, and I'll just tight line my upper lid. So this kajal is smudge proof, waterproof, and it's going to stay for long hours. My eye look is not yet finished. So now I am using the same concealer on my under eyes. So I am just going to use a concealer brush because I am not going to apply too much. So after applying this, I am going to finish my eye makeup quickly. Can you see this concealer? It is awesome. Like, it hides everything and is highly pigmented, and you don't need to use too much. The best part of this concealer is it doesn't crease in between lines. So I'm applying it wherever I used color corrector. See, this blending is so easy, and even you can apply this concealer little bit here to make your eyeliner perfect. Now after using this concealer, I am going to finish my face makeup quickly before move on to lashes and complete my eye look. So my concealer is done. It hides my pigmentation and fine lines. So after using this concealer, I can't even see my smile line. So it hides perfectly. So now this is the highlighter and contour palette. This is by Makeup Revolution. So in this you get 8 shades. These two is highlighter. This lighter shade, sometimes I use it to set my under eye, and these are the contour shades. So now I am going to mix this two shades. These are the darker shades. So I am going to use this angular brush. This is an angular fluffy brush. Sometimes I just set my under eye with this. This is really great. So first thing first, I'll do this. So wherever I used concealer, I'll just set it little bit. So now I'm going to do contour. So I'm mixing these two colors. Can you see the pigmentation? It's too highly pigmented, so always be careful when you are picking it. Just I will blend it little bit. So always try to do it upwards so that your face will look little lifted. I'll just contour my nose a bit, otherwise my nose will look flat. I love to use this brush for contour, and the brush is from Cuffs and Lashes F012. I love it because it places the product perfectly where I want. See, it's perfect brush. And always I use contour on my jawline because of my double chin. So I really wanted to hide it. So it's very important for me. And this is really important step who have round face like me, because after applying foundation, face becomes flat. So contouring is very important. So my face contouring is done. Now I'm going to use this Color Bar Chic Illusion blush in the shade 013 Rosy Peach, and I love this color. You can see it's peachy pinkish color. See, this much pigmented it is, so be careful. I just love this shade, and for medium skin tone like me, these colors are fine. I think I applied little much. So my blush is done, and this color matches to my skin tone. So for highlighter, I am going for the same palette. I'll just mix these two colors. Oh wow, it's very shiny. Look at the glow. So I'll just apply it on my cheeks, little bit on my chin. Now going to use a small brush for my nose tip and on my nose bridge. It's very important. Now some on my forehead Oh ho ho, I just love this glow. If you're looking to go for a nude kind of makeup look, you can use this palette as eyeshadow, and these highlighters also works well on eyelids. Now I'll just curl my eyelashes. This curler I bought it from Miniso. I love this curler because it's easy to use and works wonderfully. Now using this Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara, and the color is Cosmic Black. It gives very good volume and length. If you want to keep it light, then you don't need to wear any lashes. You can leave it like this. If you don't want lashes, you just don't do it. See, if I am wearing it for a daytime, then I will not wear any lashes. But for evening makeup, I'll definitely go for eyelashes. So I'll just put on my lashes and come back. So my eyelashes are done. Before wearing eyelashes, I put on my contact lenses. See, always I prefer to wear contact lenses before wearing any kind of makeup. So this time আমি ভুলে গেছিলাম, তো কন্ট্যাক্ট লেন্সটা পরে দেন আইল্যাশটা অ্যাপ্লাই করলাম. So now I'm going to use just a little highlighter to my inner corners to make it more brighter, and I always prefer to use it with finger. So alright, now I'm going back to my eyeshadow palette and applying this darker eyeshadow to my lower lid, just close to my lashes, with the same brush what I used for my crease. So outer corner is going to be little darker than inner corner. I always love to wear kajal, so I am wearing it in my lower lid, and this is the same kajal what I use for my eyeliner. It's so pigmented and it doesn't burn my eyes. I love this sparkles on my upper lid. You know I love shimmery eyeshadows. I love glitters. Even metallic eyeshadows also I like too much. This is a favorite kind of eye makeup. I love to do it like for any type of occasions. It's glittery, but it's very simple. So now to put everything on place, I'm going to use this makeup fixer by e.l.f. This is e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. So before using, you have to shake it very well. I love this setting spray because it dries so quickly that you don't need to wait for 5-10 minutes to dry it. It's done. It gives very nice glow to my face and it will hold your makeup for whole day long. So this is the thing. Now I'm going to line my lips because I have very thin lips. So for thin lips, I always suggest to line. I'm using this brown lip liner by Color Bar. See, সব লেখাগুলো এখানে উঠে গেছে because this one is my most used lip liner. So I use it like with almost every lipstick. I really don't remember the color name, but it's brown, and I think this is the only brown lip liner available in Color Bar, and this color matches to all lipstick. I have natural lip liner on my upper lip, so I will just line it just to make it more prominent, and that is why I love to use lip liner. And my natural lip color is brown and the line is dark brown, so I always love to use dark brown kind of lip liner. I'll just blend it a bit. See, this is already a nice nude color for me, but still I'm going to use a lipstick. And for lipstick, I'm using this Bobbi Brown crushed lip color in the shade Blue Raspberry, and it's perfect nude shade for me. And this is very hydrating, creamy kind of lipstick. And for my dehydrated lips, I always prefer creamy kind of lipsticks. And I really don't like too much matte kind of lipstick. So if I wear matte lipstick for long stay, I always prefer to use lip gloss over it. This one is perfect new shade for glam look. And with this lipstick, you don't need too much gloss. If you want to add little gloss, you can always add it. So yeah, this is our final look. So I told you that it is really easy to achieve. One advice I would like to give: feel free to skip that part of makeup, whatever is difficult for you. For example, if you're struggling with your eyelashes, you don't need to put it. Without eyelashes also, this eye look is going to be excellent. And just try to do your makeup on your way, however you like. If you need any particular tips and tricks, feel free to ask me in my comment section, and I will try to make videos for each and every one. I hope this will be helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.